Alright, here we are, Canadian junkyard. Okay, pro tip here. Hey everybody, welcome back to your favorite YouTube show, Fixing Random Crap with Craig. Today, we are dealing with this windshield wiper, which as you can tell, has reached the end of its life. Time to get that bad boy changed up. Making this video though, because I have noticed, I haven't owned this Mercedes-Benz very long, but when I did the other wiper, I noticed that they were kind of weird. I think sort of in the style that Mercedes likes to be, different. The Costco wiper that I originally bought to fix that one did not work. Had to go get this fancy Bosch one because it had the type of attachment that is required for this. So this one doesn't have the regular, just like hook system. It's a little bit different, and this one, if I remember correctly from last time, came with the that proper hook. So we're going to unpack this and hopefully be able to show you how we do it, get this installed, and be back to having a clean and clear windshield. Okay, now the first trick is getting this one off. You don't see much on this on how to do it. I think this is the factory one. On the replacement, let me see if I can get this in here. Hard to see. This, I believe, is the correct adapter. It does come with a couple of other adapters in that bag. It's really hard to see right now, but I think the one that actually comes mounted on this Bosch is the one that you need. It has a release here where I press down on this. It's hard to do with one hand. As I push down on that, then this comes back and it comes off. And this, you see these two little squeezer jabbies here. So that, I believe, is how we get this guy off. Because when I look at this one, it has a couple of things here that I can squeeze. And I think that will allow me with two hands to pull on this as I'm squeezing here, and that should release it. We'll try it. Okay, so that worked. I had to squeeze pretty hard on those two edges, both sides. So with my, my thumb and with my index finger, and while at the same time pulling on this part, and that did pull it out. So next, you see how there's a little lip that goes in there? So I'm going to want to like push it down. I can kind of do it a little bit with that hand already, and then it should start to come out. So I'm going to try. Okay, got on the old tripod, make life a little bit easier. So like I say, we had to squeeze this. See how that can be squeezed. Okay, and as we were doing that, we pulled on this part, and then I had to, it was kind of here, you see how it sort of goes in there into that slot right there. I had to then pull down here to get it out so that it would release that way. So I'm left with that now. Throw that away. So we're going to take this guy. This piece should be garbage. We took that off of here. You'll see that in here we have a little slot where that can go in, and this I think is just going to get compressed down inside. So we're going to do it, the only way that it works. We can't do it this way because this would be on the wrong side then. We want this high part towards the top. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to slide it like that, support it, slide it in, slide that little pin thing into that slot, and just push up. It should just click in, I'm guessing. Didn't really click. Maybe I need to squeeze that at the bottom of it. There. There's the click. Got it. Hear that? Hopefully it came through. Okay, let's also make sure that we have the right length. I'm going to double check this guy. It was a 21, as I measured. Yeah, it's the same length as the other one. So this is the guy we bought. Throw that away again. This was the one. 21OE Bosch Icon. And it's worked really well on this one, so I would recommend that guy. And that's how you change it up. All right. Catch you next time on Fixing Random Crap with Craig.